Today's I'll Try It For You items are Karviva juices and smoothies. And joining us today is the CEO and co-founder of Karviva, Angela Zeng.
So basically, I'm a deep believer of true wholesome nutrition should come from nature. This beautiful Viva is made with ashitaba. It's a super green from Japan, very unique.
It's delicious. I really taste the dark cherry, I taste the pomegranate.
Next one is Joy D. It's a blend of mandarin orange, peach, kiwi, and with a boost of vitamin D from mushroom.
I can taste the orange and the peach. It kind of reminds me of the beach at summertime.
The next one is the Ancient Beauty Tonic, Rejuvenate.
It's very good. It's kind of a mild fruity flavor. It's delicious.
So this one is for folks who want a boost of protein.
It's good. I can taste the oat flavor, but it's not overly oaty, and I can get those little hints of mango and banana.
So when you shop at Schnucks, when you pick up a Karviva, not only you are doing something great for your own health, you are also giving back to the community.
Angela, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Audrey, for this fantastic opportunity to share Karviva's story, and thank you to all the Schnucks shoppers.
Watch for our next installment of I'll Try It For You, and as always, thank you for shopping at Schnucks.